Okay, hold on second, ma'am.
Kaushik,
Yeah.
I made you the host. You can operate from your side.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So let's get started.
I think, ma'am, it's better after 2 minutes.
Okay. Let's wait for 2 minutes more,
Okay.
and after that we'll start the
Then,
session.
yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Pallavi, can you please keep yours? Hello, Pallavi.
Yes sir.
হ্যাঁ পল্লবী, একটু তুমি এক কাজ করো না, ওটা মিউট করে দাও। হ্যাঁ,
Okay.
and also
kindly check there is someone who is named Redmi.
Redmi. Okay.
Tell him or her to update her name. Many times it is said.
Just check it. Yeah. Redmi, can you
Whoever it is,
please put
kindly
your name?
State your name.
And another one, A16BB7A9. Can you please put your name? Animesh, keep you mute. Animesh Nyogi. Mute. Yes. And yes, I think. I think there is our CD, Saurabh Suman sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Saurabh sir.
Yes, Robina ma'am.
Yes, Kaushik.
Shall we start? I think it's 4:06 p.m. Yeah.
I think we should start now because we also have a very short of time. So
Yeah.
we can continue.
Yes. Hello, Shamolina ma'am. Can you hear me, Shamolina ma'am? I think there is some issue. Okay, wait. Robina ma'am.
Yes, Kaushik.
Hello. Hi ma'am. I think there is an issue because Shamolina ma'am is there. Shamolina ma'am, can you hear me?
Connect her once over the phone. It will be better.
Okay. Yeah, I called her just now. Okay, wait. Yes, Robina ma'am, coordinate with her. And again, I said that leave the meeting. Okay.
Yeah, ask
And
her to leave the meeting and connect again.
yes. Yeah.
The students, it's better to keep your video off so you can save your bandwidth and continue with the session better. Hello? Yes, ma'am. You're audible now. Okay. Kaushik, start the
Yes.
session?
Yes, sure.
First, welcome, ma'am. Then you start.
Hello.
Hello.
Shamal ma'am, can you hear
Yes.
me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. So welcome to this session, and thank
Thank
you.
you.
রবিনা ম্যাম, হ্যালো।
Yes, please.
হ্যাঁ, বলছিলাম যে আপনি এক কাজ করতে স্টার্ট করতে বলতে পারেন।
First of all, welcome Miss Samulina ma'am to our session. Thank you for your honorable time and your presence. You can start your session so that our students can get motivated and they can grow up in their future. So you please continue, ma'am.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Good evening to everyone. I hope all are doing good. All right. So, my dear students, I would like to say that the kind of situation that is going on in our country, this lockdown is something which India is experiencing for the first time. So every individual has their own viewpoints in regards to this situation. It is very evident that our economy will be affected. But in this situation, we have to come with new ideas with little resources, okay? This situation will make several entrepreneurs in their own way. This is the time when students, I'm talking to the group of people who are students. So this is the situation when students can gather as much knowledge as they can. It's the time to work together, think together, and execute everything with proper collaboration. I would request the senior students can also help their juniors in studies so that they will never feel lack of guidance, okay? So I'll start off with 4 points, which was given to me by Kaushik. So the first point was, in this lockdown period, how students can be motivated, which is very important. Okay, so the kind of situation which is going on, everyone is in their home and we are basically clueless, right? So this is the time, as we do not have any time foundations, so this is the time when we can, not only students, every one of us can brush up ourselves. Okay, so I would like to mention 5 very important points. First point is very important, which is upskilling. Okay, because the entire economy is going to change. I'm working in Wipro for more than 13 years now. I'm working for a healthcare process, and it is a healthcare issue worldwide. Okay, so I think only specific domain knowledge will not work now. All of us, people who are working, who are not working, who are studying, who will be working in few days. So it's very important for them to get upskilled. Okay. Second point is cross-skilling. So I would say that if someone is from accounts background, so this is the time when they can enroll for new courses. There are several courses available on internet, or you can take guidance from the teachers who have been guiding you throughout the year, I would say. So this is the time when you can do cross skilling, and once again there are massive online courses available. I would request all of you to select the most favorable one, which you think that you can go ahead in this area and you can get those courses assigned to yourself. You can do those courses for yourself. And awareness regarding industry trends and get domain trained accordingly. So everything is available on internet. Okay, all are tech savvy nowadays. So regarding the industry where I'm working for, or there are other industries as well, so this is the time when you can get yourself educated regarding the industries which are available. Okay, this is the time when ITs and IITs will get a boom. Okay, and create active network in LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an account, I think everyone is aware of it. So every kind of job opportunities or the kind of new job roles which will come, everything will be updated over there. Okay, so I'll move on to my next point, which is nowadays the economy will change. So the employer's expectation from the employee will also differ. Okay, the time when I went for the interview, that time the situation was different, but now it is different, and we all have to work together and we have to face it. So there are few new things which we need to do. Okay, first thing I would say is security consciousness, which is very important. So nowadays, if companies are hiring you, it will all be virtual hiring. Okay, because you will not be able to walk up to the organization to give your walk-in interviews or anything like that. So everything will be over the phone through some internet link. So security consciousness is very, very important. The second point would be flexibility. So I think if you get hired, okay, they will ask you earlier. The companies used to ask for the most favorable timing. Okay, but now I think this will be a problem. So everyone has to be flexible. We cannot say that we will do 9 to 5 job or 8 to 10 or anything like that. Based on the situation, based on the country's economy, whatever job roles we will get, we will be definitely fortunate enough to get that. So we have to be flexible. Any industry, I mean, be it healthcare or in IT, I have seen IT people working for 24 hours as well, 24/7. You know, they work as a team. 5 people are working morning till evening, and then others are working from evening to morning, because these industries work for 24/7. So all have to be flexible. Next would be again cross-skilling. Cross-skilling is again important. I mean, you cannot say that I will do this job only, because whenever you are hired by a company, let's say by a specific process, I mean, we join as something and then we grow up, right? When I joined, I was just an associate. So I grew up in the company, and for that, I need to be cross-skilled. So company also helps you. I mean, company like Wipro, they provide a lot of guidance, lot of courses, several lean courses, and there are many courses which company will, you know, will do it for free. Okay, so people should be flexible enough and they should get themselves cross-skilled so that they can grow in future. Next would be diligence, which is very important. So honesty and diligence is very important. Even if someone is not watching you, you're supposed to do the work which you have been assigned to. Okay, because every time someone cannot stand behind your head and make you work. It is your will that you will work, you will grow. Last point in this section is have an open mind to new ideas. As you all are students, okay, so we always, I mean, even we are hiring or Wipro is hiring, so we always welcome new ideas from new generation. We are always open to new ideas. So even if you have some ideas you think it is stupid enough, still we would appreciate if every one of you will come up with new ideas. Okay, I'll move on to the third point, which is very important, that why should a company hire you in this situation, right? Why will they not work? Why will they not make those people work who are already being appointed by the company, right? If I'm working for 9.5 hours for my organization, this is a very good opportunity for them to do a cross-cutting, or they can increase few amount for me, and they can ask me to work for 11 hours or 12 hours, right? It is very, very logical. But then again, we need new people and new ideas, or I would say to reduce the work pressure on the people who are already working. So there is the points that I have mentioned, that be market ready. So students, you have to be ready for the kind of market which is going to happen now. Okay. Domain skilling and only school education will not be enough. Whatever we read in books, I have also read that, whatever we read in books or, you know, available in the institutions or whatever sources are there, these would not be enough. You have to upskill yourself, you have to help yourself, you have to be more open-minded to think about the future. You have enough time to do that, and you need to enroll for new courses, not only school books or any books or any courses which are being done by these institutions. Okay, so it's, you need to help yourself. That's what your employer will be looking into it, that other than your core studies, what extra do you know about? Okay. Next would be coming to the industry without a bias. Biasness is very, very important. You cannot say at this point of time that I will only work for these industries or I will only work for these fields, because the entire economy, it has already changed, it will change more, or, you know, if everything works well, it will be a new era. I think I am not wrong, because I'm working for a healthcare industry for more than 13 years. So now the kind of situation which we are facing worldwide, and India, especially the country where still healthcare is not that important. So a lot of new industries will come up with healthcare. Okay. And healthcare does not only mean going to a doctor or, you know, going for a surgery. It is a vast, vast sector. So there are several courses available on internet. I would request all of you to go through and select the one which you feel would be better for yourself. Next would be agility in change. Everything is changing, so we should be agile enough to change. Okay, we cannot stick to anything particular. Next would be domain independent. So what we are facing, I can tell you with my own experience, that I'm working for healthcare, but then now there are several, you know, back office processes also, which are coming up together with our the service that I provide. Basically, the work that I do the frontline work, and there are several other processes in Wipro only who does backline work. So now all of them are coming together. Okay, so this is again very important. You cannot be domain independent. Next point would be new energy. So we expect this a lot from students. Okay, that they will be coming up with new energy. They will be what would I say, full of energy and full of new ideas to come up and to face the new phase. Okay. Next would be, what should a company, why should a company hire a fresher instead of an experienced candidate, which I was talking a few minutes ago. So the first reason would be obvious reason, which is a return on investment. The company needs to pay more to an experienced person other than the money they will be offering to a fresher. So obviously, return on investment will be very important. So the way I said that companies are working with people, but then there are few industries, for them it is a boom period. So they will be coming up with new ideas and new businesses for them. For those industries, they would need new people. Okay, and students are the best one for them, who will be appearing for the interviews. Okay, next is fresh perspective. Once again, I think someone has not muted the call. Kaushik? Hello? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You are.
I think someone has not muted. Okay, anyways.
No.
Next would be a fresh perspective. So we again entertain new ideas, fresh mindsets, which will be very important. So we all welcome you and we welcome all your ideas and thoughts.
Sorry
Next
for
will be
interrupting you, ma'am. Mampi Mondol, requesting you to please be mute.
Yeah, that's the name I can see, Mampi Mondal. Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, you can continue.
Okay. So third point would be wider demographic. Wider demographic means, which is very important in today's generation and in today's era and the kind of economy that we will be facing, that you need to get your knowledge or you need to acquire knowledge in a very, very wider perspective. Okay. Third would be more manpower needed for ITs and ITs. ITs and ITS. Okay, so as I'm working for IT industry, so yes, I have forwarded mass mailer to Kaushik few days ago that one of our processes are hiring. So yes, hiring will be there in Wipro. Okay, and we will be looking for these basic qualities in the new people who will be coming for the interview. Next, again, the last point would be more flexible demographic. Okay, so we would request all of you to get domain skilled, okay, to cross skill yourself, because we will be looking for vast demographic knowledge. Okay, and whatever information I get from the hiring team, that when are they hiring or for which process they will be hiring, I will be forwarding those details with Kaushik. And whatever I can do from my end is that I can go ahead and, you know, forward few names, or I can ask our HR team to make some kind of collaboration or some kind of arrangements with your faculty team or whoever is available. So that all I can do from my end. But the points that I have mentioned, so these points are very, very important. Okay. And everything will be done over the phone. So security consciousness will be a very, very important point. Okay. All have to be honest enough, giving proper details to the companies, and whatever information companies providing, even if you get jobs in Wipro or any organization, everything would be virtual. So yes, we would appreciate the security consciousness. So that's all from my side. I hope it will help you guys.
Thank you, Samulya ma'am. Thank you so much for your experience share with my students. Thank you. So I think it's
Kaushik, we are having
8
only
minutes,
7
yes.
minutes in our hand.
7 minutes.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
dear students, do you have any question to ma'am, which ma'am can answer and which ma'am can help you to keep your doubts clear? Students who are having question, please raise your hand. One question is from Kanhaiya Ram. Good evening, ma'am. My question is that what kind of job post in this company for commerce background student?
Okay, so there are several processes in Wipro. Okay.
Ma'am, you got it here.
Hello.
Yeah. Now can hear you.
Okay, so there are several banking processes as well. Okay, so Wipro is not only BPO, not only IT. There are several processes in Wipro who will hire people. So for a commerce background person, yes, going for a banking process will be helpful. So if I get any information regarding hiring is going on for banking processes, I will definitely let Kaushik know about this.
Sure, ma'am. Is any other question from any other one?
I think, ma'am, there is Shomorup isn't red, raise hand. Shomurup,
Somurup, you can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
yes,
you
yes,
are.
Continue,
you
please.
carry on.
Ma'am, I have a question that in your company, is there any job for courses who are like SSC and CIMA, or that the students who are doing courses like SSC and CIMA, international courses of commerce? So, is there any job for them in your company?
So, see, I'm not from the hiring team, so I can get this information collected, okay, and I'll forward this to Kaushik. And definitely, if these courses if you have done these courses, then definitely banking processes would be, they would welcome you. That's all I can say from my end.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, next one.
Anyone else? Guys, we are having really very short of time. We are having only 4 minutes in hand.
Yes, yes, yes.
Kaushik, please lower hand of the Somurup.
Okay. Yes.
And one thing I would like to mention, can I speak?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, the most important thing, okay. So we know that Wipro it's an MNC, so we look for very, very good communication skills. Okay, no matter whichever process you're being hired, we would look for communication skills. So students, as they do have time for themselves now, so they can also brush up their communication skills. Okay, which means proper grammar and accent, which is very important because we deal with UK clients, US clients, all the clients worldwide. So communication is very, very important.
Okay. I think all of your suggestions and experience sharing part will help our students a lot. Students,
My pleasure.
Rishikesh Banerjee is supposed to ask something. Rishikesh, can you hear me?
Rishikesh, unmute yourself, then ask the question. Rishikesh, anyone?
Ma'am, you can share, just check the appreciation from one of the student
Yes,
called
I have.
Abhishek. I am very thankful for giving us your ideas and sharing your experience.
Thank you.
I hope
Pleasure
your
is mine.
session gives a lot to the students and help the students a lot. Thank you so
Thanks so
much,
much.
ma'am, for being here. In your busy schedule, you have separated time for us. Thank you so much. Kaushik, you please continue.
Yes,
My
yes.
pleasure.
Thank you, Samolina ma'am, once again.
Most welcome. Yeah, Kaushik, and whatever information I get from the hiring team, I will be forwarding it to you, okay?
Okay, okay, surely. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye. Have a great day.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Goodbye.
Okay. I think, Robina ma'am, it's over. Okay.
You can end the meeting.
Okay, okay, okay. Sure.